Want a borescope that actually helps when you're staring into a dark engine bay or a tight pipe and hoping to find the problem fast? In this ranking, I'm going from the weakest option to the strongest one. So by the end, you'll know which model makes the most sense for your kind of work. In fifth place, I'm starting with the Daxiongmao model. This one is the simple, no-fuss option in the lineup, and that's really the story here. It gives you the basics you need to inspect tight spaces, but compared with the others, it feels more like a starter tool than something built for harder or more varied jobs. What helps it is the easy setup. You get a built-in 4.3-inch screen, so you do not need a phone, an app, or a wireless connection. The 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable gives it decent reach, and the slim probe helps when you're working through narrow spaces. The 8 built-in lights also matter more than people think. If you've ever tried checking inside a dark cavity with bad lighting, you know even a good camera can look useless. But there are limits, and this is why it lands at the bottom. It is a single camera design, so you only get that straight-ahead view. No side view, no articulation, no extra flexibility when you need to look around a bend or behind something. Compared with the dual-lens models here, and especially the articulating one, it is a lot more basic. The image quality is fine for general checks, but it does not stand out. So who is this for? I'd say it makes sense for someone who wants an affordable standalone inspection camera for occasional jobs around the garage, home, or workshop. It is easy to understand and easy to use. And if that sounds like enough for you, it might do the job. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In fourth place, I've got the Kinpathy model. This one is a little different because it is built around your phone or tablet instead of a built-in screen. So right away it feels more modern and more compact, and in some ways it actually beats the product we just covered. The big win here is image detail and portability. It records at 1920 by 1440, which is strong for this group. And the 16.4-foot cable gives you plenty of reach. It also keeps that slim probe size, which is helpful when you're trying to snake into small spaces. And because it works with common phone connections, it can be convenient if you already like using your own screen. In my experience, some people really prefer that because their phone display looks sharper and larger than budget built-in monitors. But there's a catch, and it's an important one. You do need a compatible phone or tablet, and that makes this less self-contained than the handheld models. If you just want to grab a tool and go, the built-in screen units are simpler. It is also still a single lens, non-articulating design, so even though the image quality is strong, the viewing flexibility is not. Compared with the dual lens and articulating options higher in the ranking, it cannot adapt as well when the angle gets tricky. This one makes the most sense for people who want a long, slim inspection camera and do not mind using a phone as the display. It is especially appealing if you care more about compact storage and image detail than all-in-one convenience. And now we move into the models that start adding more serious inspection features. If this review is helping, like the video and subscribe to the channel. In third place, I'm putting the Teslong handheld system. This one is interesting because it feels more like a platform than a single fixed borescope. And that makes it stronger than the simpler options below it, even though it is not as easy to compare directly with the top two. The main appeal is flexibility over time. You get a large 5-inch IPS screen, onboard recording with a 32GB card, and a big 5,000 mAh battery that can run for a long session. That already makes it a practical standalone tool, but the bigger point is the interchangeable probe system. Instead of being locked into one exact setup forever, this design gives you room to build around different inspection needs. That can be really useful if your work changes from one job to the next. The reason it does not climb higher is that several key performance details depend on which probe you actually use. So yes, it has more system-level flexibility, but in the data we have here, the core inspection setup is not as clearly defined as the two products above it. The confirmed video resolution is also lower than some of the others. And while the probe is waterproof, the main monitor is only splash resistant, so it is not the kind of thing you want to treat roughly around water. I'd recommend this one to people who want a more expandable inspection setup and care about screen size, storage, and battery life. It feels like a good fit for users who may add or swap probes later, instead of treating the tool as one fixed device. But if you want stronger, out-of-the-box viewing angles right away, the next two options are easier to recommend. In second place, I've got the Depstech model. This is where the list starts to feel a lot more serious because now you're getting a dual lens setup with a long cable and a built-in screen. It fixes a lot of the limitations you see in the lower-ranked products. The biggest advantage is simple: more ways to see the problem. With both front and side viewing, this model gives you a much better chance of spotting something hidden along the wall of a pipe, behind a part, or off to the side in a narrow space. That matters in real use. Sometimes the issue is not straight ahead at all. On top of that, the 16.5-foot cable gives it strong reach, the 1080p capture is solid, and the included 32GB card means it is ready to record without extra shopping. Compared with the single lens models, this feels far more capable. So why is it not number one? Because it still lacks articulation. The dual lens design helps a lot, but it is not the same as physically steering the tip where you need it. If you have to inspect around a bend or get a better line of sight in a cramped area, the top-ranked product has a real advantage. This one is also still built around fixed focus ranges, so it works best within those close inspection distances. This is the model I'd point to for buyers who want a strong balance between reach, usability, and viewing flexibility, without jumping into something more specialized. It feels like the sweet spot for a lot of mechanics, DIY users, and general inspectors. But if you want the strongest problem-solving tool in this whole group, there is one more step up. And in first place, the Teslong articulating model takes it. Even though it has the shortest probe in this lineup, it wins because it gives you the most control when the inspection gets difficult. And honestly, that is what separates a nice gadget from a tool you really trust. The standout feature is the articulating tip. You can actually steer the camera, which changes everything when you need to look around corners, behind components, or into spaces where a fixed camera just shows you the wrong thing. Add the dual lens setup, and now you have both movement and multiple viewing angles. That is why it beats the Depstech for overall capability. The built-in 4.5-inch screen keeps it easy to use, and the included storage makes it practical right out of the box. Of course, it is not perfect. The 4.9-foot probe is much shorter than the long cable models, so it is not the best choice when maximum reach is your top concern. The probe is also a bit thicker than the slimmer options, so if your main job is long-distance inspection through very narrow runs, another model here may fit better. But for actually locating a problem in a tricky space, this one gives you the strongest toolset. I'd recommend it for mechanics, serious DIY users, and anyone who deals with inspections where the camera angle is often the real challenge. This is the one that gives you the best chance of seeing what you need to see without guesswork. And when a tool saves you from tearing something apart just to confirm a problem, that is where it really earns its place. Check the description under the video for the top products and the best current prices. And if you want, pick the one that matches your kind of work. Hit like and subscribe to the channel for more honest gear reviews.